Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand, your real estate broker in state of Florida and New York. Guys, today we're in Florida, beautiful day, in the middle of the day we're in Hollywood. And for last couple months we have huge demand for single family houses with a pool. And a lot of people asking questions, Boris, what we can buy for this 500, for 700, for 600, if we can. We want to relocate from New York, from all other places in the world. And I would like to show one of the options, and which is I choose for my clients to see, because again, it's we're buying property for investor and we're buying property for the user. Today I would like to show you my opinion for the house which is we have in Hollywood. Again, guys, this doesn't have HOA. It's most important, so nobody grab you with the money and you don't complain. So basically you pay only insurance and property taxes and water bill, no electrical, internet for sure. So today I would like to show 4-bedroom house, which is, again, it needs some job, I mean some work. It's not perfect, and asking price $649. But again, all prices could be negotiable. Again, don't take price in the mind, this is I cannot afford it. Everything we can negotiate and get the best possible deal. So today, guys, we're looking for house with a pool. I mean, no HOA, single family home in Hollywood, 5-7 minutes from ocean, and it's huge demand for everything, for rental, short-term rental, self-use, because good schools, close to the beach, and you have everything. But again, I'm gonna give you opinion about the house and condition, which is make me maybe different from other people. So I'm not just trying to sell you, I just give you professional advices if it's worth or not, because I have construction experience and for sure I have 12 years of the brokerage experience. We work a lot with investors, and sometimes we're buying houses which is ugly, destroyed, and we work after closings with our investors or users, and we make properties beautiful. So let's go, I will make you a tour, and I would love you to sign off our channel and to give you comments, which is, I mean, reasonable comments. Sometimes, oh Boris, you didn't show bathroom, Boris, you didn't show me closet. Guys, I'm not trying to sell the house, I'm trying to sell idea of properties, to sell my services for sure. This is why I'm doing this. I'm not blogger, and to give you my professional opinion if it's worth or not. So let's go see it, and feel free to make comments and I will reply to each one. Okay, so guys, let's go and see it. So it has nice pool, which is fine. Lot is huge, I mean, compared to other property which we saw before. Lot is big, I think it's around 9,000 square feet. But pool, okay, I mean, it could be bigger, and but condition is good. It's maybe like 5 feet deep, maybe 5.5, and it has paver backyard in the paver, and some kind of shade. Again, a house asking price $649, which is for this location it's okay. I mean, it's not something overpriced for thousands of dollars, but again, it needs some cosmetic stuff and some repairs. I would like to show you stuff which is I see from beginning. For example, these doors not hurricane proof. You see bolts? So it needs to be replaced. I mean, we in Florida, I think it's a major thing to replace it. It's everything should be hurricane proof. Windows and doors. In this case, you feel safe and you don't run from Florida during hurricanes. Again, house concrete black. So, and let's go inside. So house, 4 bedrooms. 1 bedroom is really small, so but again it says 4 bedrooms. This is we came from the pool area, from the backyard. So it's open concept. And let's go from the kitchen. Kitchen has nice updated. Again, all updates was done maybe 5-7 years ago. I cannot tell you it was yesterday. So it wasn't done for resale. It wasn't done for the flip, like we say. It's again big place for cooking, and nice kitchen again, but like I said before, it was done and a couple years ago. This is kind of another extension of the kitchen, which is glossy. I don't know why people did gloss if they have everything flat. So maybe, you know, they didn't want to replace other kitchen and they added gloss, but I think it doesn't match, gray and gloss. Okay, whatever, everybody has different taste. And you see it has different levels. So it was added, this area was added after the, basically it's part of the garage. Looks like it's part of the garage, was added, and extended kitchen. A lot of people don't park car in garage, and so you can use this room for the living space. Okay, so we're in the living room. I think this is kind of, it was office room, maybe space room, I mean dining room. So let's go from the door, so it's going to be easy to understand your layout and what house has, sorry. Okay, so this is entrance, main entrance to the door. So we have open space, and so on the right side you have small room. Like I said before, again it was a garage, which was converted to a room. Again, it's not big, but you see a couple steps, so for sure it was garage, and it was closed. So this is living area, and you see it's different level of marble floor and plywood floor, wood floor. Again, sometimes under here I think it's concrete slab. What's going on here? It could be plywood beams. Again, from one side it's not dangerous if beams, okay, I mean because of termites. So but if beams already not good, a floor gonna flood. So let's go to master bedroom. So master bedroom built like master suite, and again it's nice. It's small. I mean, for master bedroom for sure it needs to be more luxury and bigger, but listen, this house was built and updated maybe 5-7 years ago, and for this kind of, I mean, age, it's okay. So it's not fully updated, like, you know, sometimes see a lot of different levels. So if I would like to suggest to a new buyer, for sure to replace whole floor for one level. It's not really extremely expensive. You can pay roughly $10-12 per square feet to replace whole floor in whole house. Again, $12, I'm saying it's with material, with demolition, with everything. So this is number one, which is I would do. Again, you need to fix, I think maybe again, roof. The roof could make problems, again, because of ceiling has some spots. When we're gonna purchase, for sure we're gonna order inspections. Maybe it's old leak, and after it was fixed everything. So California closets, and here another walk-in closet. So master bedroom, decent size and decent space. So let's go forward. So here you see it's flat ceiling, which is good, no popcorn, some spotlights. This is, again, we came to a living room, and so this is another family room. You see cables. We came in the kitchen, and here another 2 rooms. So we saw small one, master, and 2 rooms. This is room close to pool with a closet. It's organized closet, like you see. Again, size okay. I mean, it's like maybe 10 by 12, and but floor is need to be replaced. It's a little flooding, so I think it's old. And this is shared bathroom, which is fine. I see here it's another floor. So people did mosaic with the floor, a lot of different types, and listen, I don't know why, but Every room has different type of floor. It's easy to replace. It's single family house. You don't need so much permits for, but just need to have money. Like I said, it's approximately 2,000 square feet house, so you need to spend around between $20,000 to $25,000 to make a new flooring, and it's simple. Plus we're gonna replace baseboards, so house will look like new. And for sure we need to have the same level for all rooms. I mean for the rooms except garage rooms. So, and you should replace windows. Windows can cost you around between $15,000 to $25,000, depend from the quality and what you want to replace, what's brand. So guys, this is came outside. You can see what street looks like. Again, it's nice neighborhood. It's Hollywood area, and like I said before, it's close to ocean, and it's good neighbor, and a park, golf park across of the house. Basically, you're gonna love the location. It's close to highways and beach. This is how house looks from outside. I see roof was replaced. Maybe it's old leaks, which is you see in the ceiling. So this is how it looks, the house from outside. Couple steps, and it's good to have couple steps because it's raised, and you see some door need to be replaced. So all this small stuff, it's not big deal. Within months we can bring the house to excellent condition. Just need to have money and patience. So we're gonna help you with all this stuff. Guys, feel free to ask questions for our channel. Visit our website. On our website you can find always under video you have link to the house or to location, so you can find something and educate yourself what you can buy and afford. And always, guys, my team is ready to work with you with any budget. I mean, we're not working with a budget less than 100 for sure. This is not Dominican Republic or something. We don't have cheap property. So basically property which is, need to be reasonable numbers. So houses in good location start from 200 per square feet. 200, 250, 300, 400. Everything we can negotiate and get the best possible deal. We cannot steal, but listen, we can make negotiation. If house worth whatever, some amount of the money by market, in our opinion, and after we're gonna make appraisal, which is you can always have it before, and so it's Florida state which is always protect buyers and consumers, let's say, and so you cannot make any mistake. So if you're working with the finance or no finance, if you're working with a cash deal and you don't know market, always you can order appraisal and get exactly opinion how much the house worth. Make you move, ask questions, and move to Florida. You will love it. I mean, the weather, people, and the prices, schools, everything much better than other states. I live in Florida already 7 years. I love it, and I think you're gonna love it too. And who come to Florida, I mean, will find the job, will find friends, so it's not a big problem. And guys, see you soon.